Welcome to the tutorial on how to activate Indic Keyboard on iOS. First, open the App Store on your phone, search for Indic Keyboard. Click the download button to install the application on your phone. Now open the application. You will get this pop-up only for one time. You may click Continue to proceed. On this alert, click Allow using the app for free. In order to activate the keyboard, first, let us enable the keyboard from the phone settings. Click Enable Keyboard from the home screen. Click Continue to proceed. You will reach the settings screen now. Click Keyboards, enable Indic Keyboard and allow full access. Click Allow in the pop-up. Click the back button. Now, open the application. Select the language of your choice. You have successfully activated the keyboard. From now you can use Indic Keyboard in all the applications on your phone. You can click click and hold the globe icon to switch between the keyboards. Happy typing!